Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Chrysler 300 radio. Press and hold the power and volume buttons together for at least 10 seconds to trigger a soft reboot. If the unit asks for a code, enter the radio code from your label or dealer. For a full factory reset, follow panel menus or disconnect the battery briefly, then re-enter your presets and clock settings afterward. If your radio displays a code prompt, stay calm and find the printed code on the vehicle or paperwork. Carefully enter the numeric code using the preset buttons or touchscreen input exactly as shown. Avoid guessing more than a few times because multiple wrong attempts can lock the unit and complicate recovery. If the code is missing, call the dealer with your VIN and ownership details so they can look up or reset the radio code for you. For a factory reset, access the radio settings menu and select Restore or Factory Reset, then confirm the action. This clears paired phones, presets, equalizer tweaks, and navigation favorites, so have your info ready to reconfigure. Once the reset completes, repair your phone, set clock and presets, and test audio and hands-free functions to ensure everything works. Follow prompts on screen and consult the owner's manual if menu labels differ.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.